Welcome back to the 12 days of Christmas. Today is day 8 and we're doing ornaments. So I saw this super fun kit at Target and it's called Mondo Llama Paint Your Own Ornament Kit. I love this brand by Target. I think it's super affordable paint, and from what I've experienced, things are pretty good quality for beginners. So in my last video, I painted affordable and DIY watercolor cards. So if you are interested in doing DIY ornaments, this is a perfect pack for you. So this one comes with so many options and I'm beyond excited. I think I'm gonna mainly do the bulbs, but I just wanted to share with you what's inside the kit. And for the most part, I'm going to be doing this in a folk art style. And ooh, I'm definitely going to use these little jingle bells. So you can see that I've changed up my table a bit. We're focusing on the bulbs here. And I have my underlay of my folk art tablecloth. This is my favorite piece of fabric. So that is my intention for today. So just to give you a quick run through with this kit, it comes with some paint, a couple paintbrushes, some glitter, which I probably won't use. I don't know, we'll see. I am gonna consider some metallic paint. It has some little jingle bells, super cute, love this. It comes with your yarn and some varieties. So it does come with about 5 of each style. Yeah, 5 of each. So we have candy canes, gingerbread man, snowman, Christmas trees, traditional bulbs, and little bells. So for this tutorial, I think I'm gonna just stick to the bulbs for the sake of time. Okay, so for today's paint option, I'm going to be using my new gouache Holbein palette that I slightly delve into a bit with one of the other videos where I just used a couple of the colors. So I'm actually going to spend some time and transition these colors into my transom palette. I love these things. They keep your paint pretty moist and wet for the most part. I love that it comes with a seal if it were to open. So just to give you a quick review on the transom. So these I purchased online and I really, let me just get the noisy stuff out the way. So I purchased these online. I still don't have affiliate links with Amazon. But I'm gonna re-sign up for that program and see if I can at least get some affiliate links going. But this Transcend palette, I have used 3 of these. This is actually this is my 3rd one. I've used 2 of these before. Let me go grab those and I'll show you what they look like. Here are my other palettes, which I'm actually glad that I pulled them out because I'm probably going to use some of that metallic. I love this metallic here. And this one is all Holbein gouache. And ooh, you can see that metallic. So the one issue that I do come across is the spillage of the binder onto the palette. So I do tend to have to go back and clean things up and just quickly, you know, wipe up some of that binder, but nothing too major. Let's dive in to filling this one. So for this palette, I have all these gouache colors here, and I like to think that this pack, this small 5 milliliter pack, is perfect for beginners, especially because the Holbein is high quality, expensive paint. You definitely want to start small. However, if you're on a budget crunch, the Arteza gouache set is great quality for beginners, and it comes with so many colors. So that's the Arteza, and that's the original Holbein. Love both of these. And here is my spring color set, that is this one in particular, with the addition of the opal pink. Okay, so here's the palette. I really enjoy the color selections. With this particular method, I kind of just end up letting it settle in. So I have 4 extra wells, and I think I'm going to fill that with Arteza colors. I'm gonna add silver to this palette, so there's that, and we're done, solidified, because I love this silver and it makes so much sense. It just does. Okay, so we've selected our palette. I'm gonna spray things to keep things moisturized, and I will actually commit and just close this for the time being. So the way this works, you want to moisturize it and close it. Look at how fun that is. That's a good palette. I think I have great palettes here. A neutral one, a more on the blue side, more on the spring side. I really love sort of old style ornaments, so that's what I'm gonna go for. And I'm just gonna dive in and get these drawn on here. Here is ornament 1. I'm going to let it dry, and I'm going to actually paint this, the silver part, and I'm going to test out some color pencils on this. This can be my test one. So far so good, super cute. I'm just going to clean things up with the green and then paint this and do some final touches. I'm gonna try to go in with color pencils. I had a really hard challenge with this one. Unfortunately, I shouldn't have chosen the blue. I should have just stuck to the green and red, similar to this one. But I'm not gonna give up on it. I'm going to probably use some color pencils and then see where it lands. But I think for the most part, I'm gonna try color pencils on this before I go any further with these ones. I'm probably gonna stick to just green and red for these for sure, because I'm not loving the blue. Worst case scenario, I can always just paint over it and start over. So I'm gonna go grab my color pencils and I'll be back. Okay, I think I need to save the day with none other than my Poscas. The color pencil looks really good. I love the texture that it's giving. I need to paint this silver and fix things with color pencils over here. Okay guys, I think I struggled a lot with these two little ornaments. So I think for the last three, I'm gonna just try using Posca pens to see how that turns out. Okay, I'm gonna let these dry for a bit. So far so good. The glitter definitely adds some fun folk style to things. I'm gonna let these dry and then I'm gonna add the final touches. I had so much fun making these. I actually ended up liking the blue more than I expected. So definitely have fun with this. Get creative with your friends and family. This is totally something that is attainable for non-artists. I feel painting with the gouache was a bit of a challenge. Painting with Posca pens was definitely more fun. And honestly, you can use the paint that comes in the box. So have fun and stay tuned for the rest of the 12 days of Christmas. And I'll see you in the next one.